Hello guys, what's going on internet? I am Yusuf Adil from Graphic Bytes. Hope you are enjoying our Photoshop quick tutorials. If yes, then please like, share and subscribe my channel for more informative videos. Let's start today's tutorial by creating a photo grid. So I have this example in front of you. Today we will create this example, and I will also attach a link that you can download all these of source images or the images that I will use here in this tutorial. So then you can easily download all the assets from my provided link. Okay, let's start with first creating these shapes first, because we have started with the shapes and then we will start putting all the pictures in these shapes. Okay, so first let's start by creating a shapes first. Okay. We will try to create a same shape style, but it can be little bit different. Okay, we can't do it according to like paste it this thing here, so then it can be not it can easily be not understandable for you. So then we will start by creating from scratch. Okay, I can copy and paste it, but it won't easily explain to you that how I created all the things. Okay, so we will do from here. First we will start creating a shape. First shape is this one. Then we have like little bit upper shape here, so then we will go with that. Okay, and then we can make little bit smaller. Okay, it's done. Then next shape, I'm just copying it by pressing Alt and using the left click of the mouse button, and then we are here, and then we are good to go. Okay, this is done. And then we have this shape is little bit portrait mode, like this way. Okay, this is done, and this is almost equivalent to this shape that I have just drawn, this one and this one, and little bit upper. Okay, that's done. And then we are just copying this shape here, and this shape is little bit larger than that. Then we are copying this shape. You can do whatever style that you want. You can make it some picture bigger or some picture smaller, so it depends on your style, but I'm using this style because I just want to explain you how the flow can be go. And then we have just only this shape is remaining, so then we are creating this shape for you now. Like we are copying this shape here, and then we are just making it up here like this way. Okay, cool. And we are now good to go with the shapes, and our shapes are almost ready. We have just created almost same replica, and let's select all the shapes from mouse button and then just make it centralize. Okay, so let's start putting the images in this frame, and we can start dragging images from my source. So let's start by dragging all the shapes from here. First we will put this image. We can put the image as random style. We can't follow this same style that I have just put there, but we can use those random images in the random boxes, and you can put your images. I will also attach these images in the link in the description, so then you can easily download, and make sure that images must become on these shapes. Okay, here we will use the clipping mask technique that I told you in the previous tutorial. Like go down. Okay, and then the picture is on this, and then we will go here like I told you in the previous tutorial. You will press Alt button here, and then it can go here in the shape. Okay, and now we are going to the next image, dragging it here and putting it on next shape. Okay, and now we are putting in this shape, so then we need to put image on top of the or you can say the front of this shape, so then it can be clipped in that shape. Let's see and make this image in it and making this shape under here. Okay, this shape is now under in the shape. Go to the next image here, and we can put this image here in the middle. Like we have this shape here, rectangle 1, copy 3. We are just putting this image on this image, and then we are going to good to go here. Okay, this is done. And then we have this shape remaining, so we are putting same lady image there like this way. and this way. We are just, this is technique that I'm just pressing Ctrl T to resizing all the shapes or all the images. So then we are putting those image in these shapes. I will try to make another tutorial for you where I will tell you how to clip the images in all the shapes, so then it can be easier for you to understand how to clip the images in the shapes. So it can go there. I mean, we have this shape and then we are putting this image here. So I think we are good to go here. Little bit minor this shape here, so then we are good to go. And then we have only, I think so, one images is left, and we have 1 2 3 4 5, and we have third one image that is left from our side, and we are going to put that image here like this image. We are good to go. And then we are this shape, make this shape upper of the, and then we can put this image in this shape. Okay, so we are done here. Till now we have done basic structure of our layout. Okay, and then we are going to make these strokes to make our layout more elegant. Let's start by applying a stroke one by one on each shape. Press stroke. I'm just repeating again for you to a better understanding. Just right click rectangle and go blending options and put stroke here, and then stroke is already applied. We can adjust little bit stroke, whatever suits our, but I think 4 is better. Okay, here we can go, instead of applying each image, go each shape and applying again stroke here. It can be go like that, but we can have a shortcut options here. What is the shortcut option is that we can go rectangle 1, press right click, and so you can say copy layer style. Okay, so what it will do, it will copy all the style of this layer. Okay, right now we are applying the stroke button on this layer, so it will copy it, and now we can apply all these stroke on all shapes, whatever shapes we have. I am just selecting all the shapes and it's applied all the shapes. Okay, this is a good thing that to learn the shortcut in the Adobe Photoshop, so it can make our work easier and effective. Okay, so now we have flowers to put there, so let's drag all the flowers. We have this flowers here. First of all, I'm just putting it in the corner first of all. Okay, it's just put there, it's done. Okay, and then we are going to put this flower like, oops, I think it's layers problem. Let's undo it. Okay, let's copy that. Let's make the flower on top of this layer. Okay, and then this one here, and now we have flower there, and let's duplicate by clicking Alt button here. Okay, and then we can just undo this one. I just rotate this flower by clicking Ctrl T like this way. Okay, so now we have done. Previously what is done here, because we were just putting this thing in the middle of picture and a shape, mean it was going wrongly because I am putting like this way, so it was not appear because it was in the middle of shape and the picture that we have put. So we need to put it beside these clipping marks. I mean, if you will make them in the middle of clipping marks, so pictures will be not appear, or might be your flower will be not appear. Okay, so that's done. We just simply drag all the flowers here and just put it down to make it look better. Previously it goes a little bit down, so if you are not understand, so let's repeat this method again to make you more like easyable for you to understand what I did. Okay, this was the shape, I just dragged it here, and you can make it like this way. Okay, this is done, and then what you can do is you can just put Ctrl J to duplicate. Okay, and then this is done. Ctrl J for duplicating the layer. Okay, and then we are done, and this time nothing wrong thing happened, and it's done quickly. Okay, so now we have complete structure like this. We are done with this right now. Okay, and now we are putting the background image that we already have here. We can put this any image that you want, but I am putting this black and white image. to in the background. Okay, just make it little bit larger and make the picture but in the bottom of all the layers to make it look, and make the opacity little bit lower like this way. Okay, and then we are going to make this little bit blurry. Okay, applying the Gaussian blur on it. Okay, and then we are good to go. Okay, we have almost done all the things. Okay, now only the things is left. We have little bit tail here, so we will putting this tail by dragging it from our source files. Okay, so this is also done here, like this way and this way. So this is also done, and then we have only these lines to be there. Let's draw these lines by using the rectangular tools. We are just drawing this rectangular tools here and make the colors whatever color they have. Like we have this color there, so I'm putting this color there and make the picture larger like this way. Okay, and we are good to go. And this make the color of the rectangle a little bit reddish because they have using the red color, not more than red, a little bit. Let's adjust the red like this way. They are done, and then we have this way. Okay, like this we have this one. Okay, so here we are now going to put the quotes of the whatever quote it is. So we are going to make the text box here to enter the quotes here. Okay, so let's first changing the font of this layer. I'm using the font name. I will also attach these font files with the link, so then you can download and install these fonts. Okay, and I will also tell how you can install the fonts in the Adobe Photoshop, so it will be more easier for you to install and use different type of fonts. Okay, so let's copy it. Okay, and then paste it here, and let's apply the color overlay. You can change like this way on the black, applying the black color on this, or you can also applying the color overlay like I told you in the previous tutorial, like how you can go with that like this way. It's done now. Okay, we have now completely text overlay here. Okay, and now this is black, and now we have this today we will never sing this quotation here, and we are now copy that thing like copy this quotation, and this font, let's note this name is Angel Signature. I will also attach this font name with the in the link in the description, so then you can download that. And let's make it a little bit bigger to look elegant. Okay, we have done. We have almost done. We have all the images whatever we have there, and we have just designed all the things. Little bit there's similarity, but this is the word that how we can create a photo collage of our friends or college friends or parties or birthday, whatever you want. Okay, we are done with today's tutorial, and if you like this tutorial, then please like, share and subscribe for more videos. See you next video. Thank you. Bye bye.